There is no scarcity on earth except the scarcity of love. There is no famine on earth except the famine of love. If only love woke up within our hearts, I tell you this earth would be a heaven on earth, a heaven, a paradise. What is needed is love. Let us love each other. And love, it will be easy to forgive. He spoke of forgiveness, the quality of forgiveness. Forgiveness is that quality which gives peace to the forgiver, more peace to the forgiver than to the forgiven. The forgiven may not know that he is forgiven, but the forgiver in the act of forgiveness gets peace of mind. They asked me, as some of you know, that 2nd of August is the birthday of this body. They said, what would you like this day to be called? I said, I would, if I were given the option, I would call it the day of forgiveness. Forgiveness cures many diseases. Many diseases. If you carry a grudge in your heart, it disturbs you. It affects your health. There was a young man of 23. He never visited the doctor. He was very healthy. He had a very healthy body. Suddenly one day we heard that he passed away, he died. So we asked the doctors, of what did he suffer? Of what did he die? And they said he died of a new disease which we call grudgitis. Grudgitis. You hold grudges in your hearts against people. That is a disease in itself. Forgiveness. Forgiveness.
आराध्या को समर्पित अनोखी आराधना, आराध्या को समर्पित अनोखी आराधना, दान और क्षमादान की ये साधना, दान और क्षमादान की ये साधना, आराध्या को समर्पित अनोखी आराधना, आराध्या को समर्पित अनोखी आराधना। कठिन क्षमा से कोई दान नहीं, इससे बढ़कर उपहार नहीं। कठिन क्षमा से कोई दान नहीं, इससे बढ़कर उपहार नहीं। क्षमादान है प्रेम की सर्वोपरि भावना, आराध्या को समर्पित अनोखी आराधना, आराध्या को समर्पित अनोखी आराधना। क्रोध पे संयम हो प्रेम सभी से, घृणा जरा भी ना हो किसी से। क्रोध पे संयम हो प्रेम सभी से, घृणा जरा भी ना हो किसी से। सबकी खुशहाली ही हमारी मनोकामना आराध्या को समर्पित अनोखी आराधना, आराध्या को समर्पित अनोखी आराधना। दान और क्षमादान की ये साधना, दान और क्षमादान की ये साधना, आराध्या को समर्पित अनोखी आराधना, आराध्या